What's up, guys? In this wheel bearing video, I did not give you a direct comparison from the passenger side to the driver's side, so I want to go ahead and do that now. Now in the video, I'll let you listen to the passenger side, and this is it here. It's pretty rusted up, but if you try to listen, it's a little grinding, but it's pretty symmetrical, and honestly, it's not that bad. But here we come to the driver's side, which happened to be the issue. And you can hear that little bit of grinding and clicking. And even though it is very, very subtle, that caused all the noise issue that we were hearing on the road. So even though it may be subtle to your ears here, once you get on the road, it could be a very loud and annoying issue. And remember, if you're gonna replace one wheel bearing, go ahead and replace them both.